Hello students, welcome to iSmart Technology. This video is about draw polygons by universal method. Here we have to take base AB equal to 60 mm. Polygons like triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon you can draw by universal method. First of all, you have to draw line AB which is 60 mm. Okay, here you have to mark A and B. Now what you have to do, you have to take more than half measurement and perpendicular to this line AB. This is the arc up and down. Here you have to also mark up and down arc. You have to just join this vertical line. Okay, now you have to find out a number 4. For that purpose you have to draw semicircle OA distance using OA distance. This is the number 4. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to draw a arc of AB and make number 6. Okay, 4 number is used for draw square and 6 number is used for draw hexagon or triangle. Okay, first of all you have to draw triangle. What you have to do, you have to just join line 6 to A and 6 to B. This is the triangle. Now if you want to find out number 5, what you have to do, you have to just divide the distance between 6 to 4. Here you can see the distance between 6 to 4 is 22. So you have to mark 5, 8, 11. This is the 5. Okay, now suppose you want to draw a square. What you have to do, you have to just take a distance from point 4 to A and you have to make a complete circle. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to take a base AB distance and make an arc. Base AB distance and make an arc from B and from A. Then you have to just join. This is a square. Okay, this is a square. Now suppose you want to draw a pentagon. What you have to do, using number 5, 5th to A, you have to make a complete circle 5th to A. Okay, this is the complete circle. Again you have to take AB distance, base AB distance, and you have to make a arc. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just join the sides. Pentagon have 5 sides. Now this is pentagon. Okay, now suppose you want to draw hexagon. What you have to do, you have to just use the number 6. 6 to A distance you have to take and you have to make a complete circle. Again you have to take a AB base, right? And you have to make a arc 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what you have to do, you have to just join all the sides. Hexagon have 6 sides. Okay, this is hexagon. Now suppose you want to draw a heptagon, so you have to find out 7 number. How can you find out 7 number? You already know the difference between the distance between 6 to 5 number is 11, so you have to just put 11 above. From the 6 you can got number 7. Okay, now same procedure you have to repeat. You have to take a distance 7 to A and again make a circle, complete circle, right? Then again you have to take a AB measurement and make a arc. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just join all the sides. This is the heptagon which contain the 7 sides. Okay, this is the heptagon. Similar way, you can draw octagon also. You have to just put a 8 number at the above the 7 number, right? Okay, thank you very much.